Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasha if you're new here. I have this old shirt laying around. It really don't feel good on my body. It's too long, feels constricting, has stain on it that I want to get rid of, but I can't. So what we're going to do today is cut it. We're going to make a crop top out of it, which is not only stylish, but you know, gets rid of that stain. I also cut a little bit off the sleeves because they're way too long. I have big old arms. Please excuse all the noise in the background. My house is always chaotic. That's why I always have to do voiceovers in the first place. So I'm just getting it straightened out here, making sure that it's all straight. I do use one of those rotary cutters from Dollar Tree, and they also had the little board you can use, but I put some cardboard under the shirt because I'm doing this on my freezer and I didn't want to ruin it, you know. So just getting it all straight. I'm gonna set this to music so y'all can just watch and relax, I guess. Maybe you can take away from this video on how to make a shirt into a new shirt.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
No one knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, babe.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and
I write my own rhymes.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's hard to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, babe.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you. Miss you. Oh, miss you. Nothing else that I can do. I just miss you.
What you see here is just me taking some off the sleeves as they're very tight. I have large arms, so those hems are very uncomfortable. Stretching it out to make it roll a little bit. And here you see I have a whole new shirt, and I love it. I think it looks great. And you can even pull up your leggings and have a different look. Thanks for watching, you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Stay safe.